Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Taurus for week ahead. So watch this video if you're a Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in. Check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, where I keep on sharing a lot of remedies, switch words, manifestation, crystal healing, daily horoscope, then you can just head to my Instagram. The name is popping on the screen and the link is also in the description. And if you don't already know, then I'm a Moon and Venus in Taurus, so I look forward to these readings myself, and that is why Taurus readings are very frequent on the channel. So let's see messages for Taurus for week ahead. Some of you're just holding on to something very strongly. It could be a person, it could be finances, something you're holding on very strongly. You're trying to protect something basically these days, and we'll see what that is. You don't want to let go of something and you're trying to protect it. You're trying to do everything to protect it. Alright, let's see messages for Taurus. Okay, so we have 3 of Cups and the 5 of Pentacles. Ooh, Taurus, and I know what is it trying to tell, but for every person it's going to be different message, but let me try to give you a perspective. So some of you, if you are finding some issues in finances, maybe your finances are all over the place right now, or you're just going through a very difficult position, things are just all over the place and you don't know how you will be getting through it and what can you do. First of all, your message is to look forward in a direction for a help that you might not have thought till now. So maybe you thought that something is not going to help you in this matter. Your message, your advice is to go and try the very thing that you think is not going to help you, because that is basically trying to that will basically help you get out of that situation and have this moment of celebration. Some of you, even when you were having a very difficult or rocky patch in your love life, like somebody kind of left you out in the cold and this person was not there for you, I see you coming out of that and you might be reuniting with somebody from the past, or you're just trying to have a good time. The message here is that whatever difficult situation you have been hit recently, be it money, be it career, be it finances, whatever is bothering you right now will not bother you for a very long time. And not only you will be coming out of it, you will be coming out very victorious, very happy, and you are going to have a victory in a situation. So if you feel defeated right now, if you feel very disappointed right now, don't lose hope, because 3 of Cups, the moment of celebration, is very, very near. All right. What else? Message for Taurus, please. Give me some past energy between Taurus and the person. King of Swords. Some of you were dealing with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I see somebody was not making a decision about you, and maybe there was a third party situation involved as well, and maybe that is the disappointment that you had. Like when you confronted this person about this third party situation, they left you out in the cold. Like you were dealing with somebody who does not like to sit down and talk to you. Like, you know, like how mature people handle obstacles. They try to sit down and resolve things, but you were dealing with somebody who do not believe in resolving things. As soon as you confront, they ghost. So I see somebody acted very distant, very cold with you as soon as you confronted them about a third party situation. All right, so some of you, maybe there was a third party situation, or there was some sort of external influence which kind of screwed your connection, and then you feel very disappointed right now. So this is a very clear message. I see somebody was not making a decision about you. You were hoping for a commitment from this person, but they kept on ignoring you. You know, 2 of Swords is that when the person does not even acknowledge. So somebody was not even acknowledging the connection with you, and they just kept on delaying, kept on ignoring. And when you confronted them that they were cheating or they were doing something behind your back, they started ghosting you, or they ghosted you. All right. What is the present energy for Taurus? Wow, that's a beautiful energy. Lover's card. Love is coming into your life, Taurus. So you might be feeling that, oh my God, my life is done and I will never meet anybody. Your message is that a very beautiful, very fulfilling connection is headed in your life. So do not be disappointed for whatever has happened, all right? It was not serving you, it was very toxic. So that is why it had to end, and you had to go through such a difficult chapter, a lesson in your life. But when you will meet this kind of person, the lovers, you will understand why this old chapter had to end in your life, all right? So you are completing a chapter and you're moving on to something more meaningful. With the lovers, I also see choice, because lovers is a card of choice. So some of you will be having a choice to choose between two people. Some of you might be having two people. Some of you may be more than two people. So that could be a past person and a new person. So you might be choosing between a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or a Gemini. The next person could also be a Gemini, but we'll see. It's not important. I'm just telling you the signs because some people want to hear them. Some of you, it could be a water sign as well, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. 5 of Cups. Yeah. So once you pick up your broken pieces, once you let go of what is not serving you, you are going to be blessed with this abundance. So universe actually made you go through whatever you went through so that you can learn some important lessons, and so that when a worthy person comes into your life and a good, genuine person, stable person comes into your life, you can differentiate. You know, that is why you had to go through whatever you had to go through. It was a tough lesson, but it is worth it, because what is coming next to you is the ultimate stability. Some of you might also be getting married very soon. A commitment is coming towards you with the 10 of Pentacles, the World card. And I see it's going to be like you will find yourself between two choices, and then you will be having to make a choice, make a decision. So make a right choice, all right? Some of you, the next person that is coming towards you is a Leo, because I saw the Strength card. Tower card. Ooh. Who the hell were you dealing with? In the past, I see you were dealing with a very toxic person. And the ending that has happened in your life, I know it was very painful. You could not take it. But you were dealing with this. And you know, the problem is that when we keep on living the same cycle, when we do not get out of a toxic situation, universe steps in and it makes us change the situation. And I also see the separation that happened between you and somebody. It was not because of you both. It was a third party situation. It was an external influence because of which the connection came down. It's like it just came down in front of your eyes and you could not even do anything about it. Something got exposed, somebody got exposed, somebody's true colors came out. All right, and after that, this person started ghosting you because they were not able to face you. They were not able to face the truth. But in the present situation, I see you're having a good time, or at least you're trying. With the 10 of Pentacles, the Ace of Swords, you are trying to do new things in your life. Some of you might be starting a new project. If you're starting a new project, doing something new, you're going to be victorious. And if you're not already, I see happy times, good times coming in for you. So with the Wheel of Fortune, like you are experiencing a down moment right now. When the wheel is going to rotate, you will be coming at the top. So don't have to worry about it, all right? You have gone through a very difficult chapter recently is what I can see. But it was just so that you can embrace and you can be more grateful of what is coming towards you. You know, only when we see difficult situation, we appreciate happy times. So you have seen some difficult situations, and now universe is actually going to compensate you with the happy times. That's law of compensation, right? So right now I see that either you're in a very good space, or very soon you will get in a very good space, which is going to be all about abundance, new beginnings, choices, and then you getting back on track, you gaining the momentum back in your life. I see your life has been pretty stagnant for some time, but now things are going to move on. I see after this separation and somebody getting exposed, you basically closed yourself to the entire world. Like you started ignoring everybody, you started taking a break, you started maybe educating yourself on something. You are gaining knowledge. Maybe you started a new course, you started a university, like you started a class or something. Whatever it is, I see that you started gaining knowledge and you basically separated yourself from everybody. Maybe you were doing more self-help courses, you were reading more self-help books. So your whole focus basically came onto you. And you started introspecting what went wrong in your life and how you can fix it. So you tried to find different ways to fix your own self. So maybe it was a period of self-discovery that has happened in your life recently. And I see that after that you're coming out of your cocoon and you're trying to experience the world again. And it is going to lead to a lot of abundance, and a lot of new beginnings, and a lot of new cycles and victories, all right? 2 of Wands. Try to look forward, all right? That's your message. A good opportunity, a new opportunity, a renewed passion is going to come into your life, but that will only happen when you'll be looking forward to future instead of looking back, instead of going back to where you have come from. I also see that there could be an apology coming from somebody who did you nasty. It could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Just be careful. Just be careful before trusting anybody blindly, because this person is no good and they are still very, very sneaky and not trustworthy, all right? But this person would try to apologize and they would try to make amends with you, so be careful. So I see that you made a mistake in the past in trusting wrong people, and you basically paid a heavy price for that. Like, this person was nothing but disappointment in your life. Alright, what else? What is the future energy? Wow, Two of Cups. Again, choices. Some of you definitely have a choice in love that is coming towards you. It could be between an Aries or an Aquarius as well. It could be between an Aries or a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Aquarius, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Could be anything. So I see a very beautiful connection. Some of you, you have two people. One person is an idiot and the other person is a really good person. So now you can choose. This person could be elder to you. Even if they're not elder, they're very mature. And that is how you will know that this person is no bullshit, no drama. This person is serious about you. I see somebody's looking forward for a long term with you. The Star card can actually be, sowing a seed of marriage, and things are going to progress into marriage slowly over time. Something is going to move in pretty slow. I'm not going to say that's going to be very fast. It's going to, start off really slow, but it's going to be a long-term thing. And that is why it's taking time, because both of you want to be sure this time. You don't want to make a mistake. You're very skeptical to be open to love again in your life, and I can understand where you're coming from, because you're definitely coming from a 5 of Pentacle energy where somebody disappointed you. And now with the 5-5, 2 5s here already in the reading, I see that you're up for a big change in your life, and you have paid a price for it. You've really paid a heavy price for this change that is going to happen in your life. So you deserve it. Don't second guess when somebody tries to show up in your life. With the Page of Swords, again, there is a warning that somebody might try to show back in your life. This could be a narcissistic ex who is no good. So this person might try to, pull back you in the same place where you have evolved from. So be very careful. Be very careful of trusting this person again. All right, this person tries to keep tabs on you, and they will come out very soon that, hey, Taurus, let's be together back. This person is no good. They're just an addictive, low-level drama queen or king, and they just want to drag you back into the same shit. You just do you. You're doing really well these days. Do you. See? 6 of Cups. Some of you, maybe both of these people are from your past. One person good and other one bad. Yeah, could be. Or somebody just thinks a lot about you. Somebody from your past have you on their mind constantly. This person cannot let you go. Yeah, somebody would want to reunite with you, because they see how well you're doing in your life, or how well you're moving on in your life. 501. This person is the same person that caused a lot of drama in your life. However, I see if you make a wise choice, you can land into a commitment. Like, you also have someone very serious around you. Like, this person is very serious about you. They will be very serious from get-go. They could be a little slow in their approach, but they want commitment. Love is showing up for you. Definitely. But just be sure that you do not accept the wrong person, because I see a wrong person is also around you. 4 of Cups. Make a wise choice. Make a wise choice. You have a lot on your plate right now. A lot is going on in your life. It might overwhelm you. So make a wise choice. Okay, anything else? 8 of Swords. See, again, do not go back to the person who has given you mental strain. Like, there was a girl and she was telling me that her boyfriend was a narcissistic person and always up with games and manipulations, and she was telling me that I still miss him. I was like, what are you missing? Being treated like a trash? Are you missing that? Why would you miss somebody treating like you trash when you can have this for once? You have two people around you, one person full of trash, other person is a very good person, can lead to commitment. If you're absolutely single, then this person is coming in towards you. And if you're not single, you have somebody in your life, then there could be two people from your past showing up. One person is drama and the other person is serious. This person might tell you things like, I'm serious about you, like let's just talk seriously about this connection, something like that, something on those lines. So that is how you will be able to differentiate. Like some people ask me, how do I know that this is my person? Your person will not confuse you. That's how you know. And some of you, like you might be overwhelmed with choices. Like you will be so overwhelmed that you will try to ignore and then it will become a missed opportunity. Don't do that. Try to gain information and then make a informed decision. All right? Because I definitely see someone coming towards you and they want to pursue you and they're going to pursue you very seriously. But the problem is that you also have someone else in life and that person is confusing the hell out of you. So be careful. All right, message for Taurus for week ahead, please. Give your relationship a chance. Ooh. See, I told you, work on your partner, worth waiting for. That's beautiful. So I see somebody from your past wants to come back. This person is worth waiting for. Like there are two people, but one person is worth waiting for. Divine timing is in your love life right now. So don't try to hasten things up basically. Like I told you, this person who's going to be very serious about you, like they want to give this a second shot or they just want to give it a shot. This person is still going to take it a little slow. So don't try to get fed up. Don't try to, try to hurry up the process and then screw it. This person is serious about you, but things will go on a little slow pace. So you have to bear with it, all right? But it's a very beautiful, stable energy that's coming towards you. So that was your reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.